So for this video, I'm going to show you how to make X the subject. We're going to go through an example, and hopefully once we go through that, you can apply that method to other questions you come across. So question 1, make X the subject. 5x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So the first thing we want to do is we want to get X on one side and move everything else onto another side. And we do that in this case by adding or subtracting something from both sides. In this case, we add 3y and minus 7 from both sides. That's going to leave us with 5x is equal to 3y minus 7. So from here we can see we have 5x. So if we want x by itself, we can divide it by 5. So let's divide both sides by 5, because whatever you do to one side you have to do to the other side. So dividing both sides by 5, we're going to get x is equal to 3y minus 7 over 5. And again, hopefully you can apply this technique to other questions. I tend to move whatever I can to one side and keep anything with an x on it on one side, and then from there you normally divide or draw out an x. So hopefully that made sense. Hopefully it was clear. If you do have any comments or questions, just drop them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you there. Best luck with your maths, and thanks for watching.